Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Welcome back to the new video of B1 level German. This is part 2, chapter 2, Alles Neu. First chapter का video already बना हुआ है, you can watch in the playlist. It is available. So today we will do further chapter 2 and this is very important part in this chapter. Ein Gespräch. Ein Gespräch führen, to lead a conversation between customer and Verkäufer. What happened? The situation is that you have purchased something from a shop, any device, any great, and that great device is not functioning properly. So now you approach the shopkeeper, Verkäufer, and you tell your problem. So this is a conversation, or you can say this is a dialogue between shopkeeper and the customer. So we'll see what kind of sentences you can use here, what kind of structures you can use. Suppose, so first of all, customer will describe his or her problem. So Kundin, female customer, I have written here. So how can the customer say, like, das Gerät, suppose handy, I purchased handy and it's not functioning. So das Handy funktioniert nicht. Das Handy funktioniert nicht. Okay, ich habe Problem mit dem Handy. Ich bin nicht zufrieden. You can also say, ich bin nicht zufrieden. Ich bin nicht zufrieden. Ich bin nicht zufrieden. Okay, so was soll ich tun? What should I do? I am not satisfied. I am not satisfied with this product. What should I do? Please help me. This is the way customer will say. First we write the customer dialogue, or he can say, der Akku ist leer. Der Akku ist leer. Akku means here battery. The battery ist leer. Geht schnell aus. Schnell ausgehen means get empty very fast. Okay, so battery goes empty very fast. So der Akku ist leer. Ich habe Problem. Ich bin nicht zufrieden. Was soll ich tun? What should I do? Please help me. Ich habe vor 2 Tagen das Handy gekauft. Just 2 days ago I bought this mobile and now I am facing problem. What should I do? This is the problem of the customer. Customer is very angry. He will say, ich bin ärgerlich. Ich bin sehr ärgerlich means I am annoying. Ärgerlich. Of course, it's very natural. You have purchased something from the shop just 2-3 days ago and now it is not functioning properly. So Sie sind ärgerlich. Okay, Sie sind ärgerlich. So now you will request for just to exchange. Okay, like you will say, ich habe noch Garantie. I still have guarantee with the product. I have been given guarantee. So ich habe noch Garantie. Ich habe noch Garantie. Ich möchte das Produkt umtauschen. Ich möchte das Produkt umtauschen. Umtauschen means here exchange. Means you want to exchange. Ich möchte umtauschen. Ich habe noch die Garantie. Ich habe noch die Garantie. Ich möchte das Handy umtauschen. I want to exchange it. Ich habe noch Garantie. Still have the guarantee. So is it possible? Ist das möglich? Ist das möglich? Is it possible? Can I exchange this device? Then we'll see what Verkäufer, shopkeeper will say. How will he reply? What are the sentences? He can say, first of all, when we go to the shop, how can I help you? Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? This is the first line. How can I help you? And then you will describe the problem. He will listen to you. He will say, okay, it surprised me. Das wundert mich. Wundert. Das wundert mich. Surprise. Das wundert mich. I'm surprised. How can it happen? It's new product. And now you are saying it's not working. Haben Sie richtig eingesetzt? He will say, haben Sie richtig eingesetzt? Means the customer is saying that the battery is battery is empty, it get drained very quickly. So the shopkeeper is saying, haben Sie richtig eingesetzt? Have you insert the battery properly? Have you charged again? Eingesetzt, ausgeladen. Richtig ausgeladen oder eingesetzt. So these are the dialogues between the customer and the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper is saying, trying to convince the customer that product is okay, maybe it's your fault, or maybe it's at your end some kind of problem. So then he will say, okay, ich möchte umtauschen, and then the shopkeeper will say, okay, kann ich mal sehen, can I see once, can I see myself once, have you brought the product, please show me the handy, kann ich mal sehen, kann ich mal sehen, kann ich mal sehen, can I see the product? And then he will say, okay, there is definitely a problem. Then the customer is asking, ich habe noch Garantie, kann ich das Handy umtauschen, can I exchange the mobile, I still have guarantee. The shopkeeper will say, okay, do you have invoice, bill? We say Kassenzettel. Do you have Kassenzettel? Kassenzettel is the word I write here, Kassenzettel. Okay, very important word. Kassenzettel means your cash memo, invoice, billing that you receive at the time of purchase. So haben Sie Kassenzettel? Evidence, okay, as a proof that you have purchased from my shop. Haben Sie Kassenzettel? The customer will say, yeah, natürlich, ich habe Kassenzettel. Then the shopkeeper has no choice except to replace, okay, ich mache das. Okay, ich gebe Ihnen ein neues Handy. And that's the end of the dialogue, and the shopkeeper is saying that he will replace, he will exchange, and the customer will say, okay, vielen Dank, auf Wiedersehen, then bitte, auf Wiedersehen. So it's a small dialogue with different vocabulary, different new words. It's already given in the book. Go and check out your NetSweat B1 German book. So that's all in this video. Next time we'll continue again the same chapter with some grammar given in the chapter 2. Obwohl, trotzdem, these connectors, genitive prepositions we'll learn next time in the video. So keep watching, keep learning with me. Bye bye, take care.